Nong hini dolamara angkang rong pre hini atomapan towar semar PG pu aparlu pachehok nakason pamande. Non penke digital portal news channel akimi impu long lelo. Jom si impu ji bulote KADNF atum si verify ponpo. Laso office si DIPRO atum dengpo. Lason si Lakhain ko ratrok Dwarbaguri MAC constituency ke parlo jasamet Lakhahini dolamara angka bagan luti krong pliadong binhum killing arong ramlek the arong anat kidam kiwang atowar bagan luti krong pli arai along langroy kedudun ko kazok langkang limpi et pen azok arniwang kachoklem chodam pen chenglok kisu kiun e school college kidam atowar ke laan bedo laan chota kalilang Dakiram rong hang arong penceng lok tarapung borpung anta kedam atowar anta bangso atowar pensi kedam kewang ilo sitame bangso atowar kaselam pijiapha nonpu anta sai teng dela laben kedam tanga pora wood inut bang hini atom local leader atom sitame towar nang simar pipo pu kachichangta ningkan hini anbakta dopo sitame nonpu anta thangna dasai kedeng thekpon nonglela Laso joksi pini sai jok jepen ronga sarpen chenglok mekar tumpen pherang ke phat johang nang koklo pusi pherang ke angno jethandu lasi bangso towar prapjin pen kaselam PG phat Karbi anglong autonomous council along CM Dr Tuliram Ronghang local MAC Anparta KAC education EM Richard Stockby lapen ke local MLA Dorsing Ronghang atumaphan tuning report News report Karbi Live. Karbi anglong alongri hampang asong kiong ason thosi media host ta kiong lakhaun iset. Ahoklo media house news channel kiong ke isi kemesen ang theklo. Media ki jui jam ajoksi maduta kaheno asai chopang limpen chenglok kachiri mek mati chirok tok bele sabang ke tonang kong. Athe bangjokta lamki lampong nongno ki rat achatai long chiklang ingtung te bonta media hampang ki ongaret ajoini claim jam dam jam si isi discipline avidet ajok ajahak atup mithang ali ajoini ki claim nang ni akam anta claim de titi ajok nongno ki media claim bang atum si chodeng nang kok titilo Journalist certificate, journalist experience le avedet sita. Komande bang pu jongjung channel kimi chingpu po. Komande ke inut bang hini bang ke thom chelang po. Channel kimi chingpu po. Bangso channel amen pen tangka ke hang demand ke ther ke hap lapusona lam ki ke chethan si jokplot lo. Jasemet arta ki jomatum amat. Hala ahok pet a journalist atum rada long ka cheklang jiaphan therak thumeme. Anparta ajahak press media puka chekrong atom media knowledge experience avi atom si keong sita media men pen cherok tok titipo anong no ke angton media lo Anparta ajahaka channel atom methanga channel TRP ke pa ong jia joini kalili kalang lang upload po lapen komande ke hem tot lun pensi Facebook along video chonghudun po Komania channel along news video chonghudun si methanga channel along news selam pen upload det titi atom tado lahai media ithik ateng news ki pika chetonte kathirak nangke media ahamphang lasi lahai asai lang no pen ki khangji pura Karbi anglong digital news forum KADNF atom RDN Ponsi district information public and relation officer DIPRO Utpol Timasa ariding Pimpuralo Pajirda Bangso Pimpuralo Kejong Ateng si KADNF lapen DIPRO atum angbong chingbai si kewangji arni pen ke portal news channel kimi ingpu long lelo jong si komane channel kimi ingpu ji do pulote KADNF atum si verify po laso ateng si DIPRO atum deng po pusi lamthe chedon sarpen lam rai deng pon Pimpur me non malom pherang ki claim pin atom ta gari along ali kachu NG aphan press bu chetok det titi atom ta do Lasi kebang jilang arni pen ke Jasamet Digital Portal News Channel ke doan KADNF atum pensi ID isu vipon po. Jong si komande channel kimi DIPR Open NOC awi pulote lake fake news pusi hokpon po. Lapen ke methang atom si adai CN nang pokpo puta jongpon po.
Sir, we the Karbi Digital News Forum, an independent organization established a year ago, are dedicated to overseeing digital news reporting in Karbi and West Karbi. Our primary objectives are as follows: monitor and regulate digital news content. We aim to ensure accurate, fair, and balanced reporting related to Karbi and West Karbi. Promote responsible journalism. Our forum encourages ethical standards among medical professionals. Capacity building for reporters. We provide a platform for discussion, training, and capacity building for digital news reporting. To further strengthen our efforts, we propose the following measures. Mandatory registration of new news channels. We recommend that new news channels register with our forum and obtain a letter of clearance or NOC before commencing operations. This step will regulate the establishment of new news channels and enhance accountability. Verification and authentication of reporters. Ensuring that only genuine journalists use press text on their vehicles is crucial. Unauthorized use of press text undermines the integrity of the profession. Our proposal aims to maintain transparency. Standardized press identity cards. We propose introducing standardized press identity cards issued by our forum. These cards will prevent misuse of press text and ensure that only verified reporters can use them. We firmly believe that implementing these measures will enhance the overall credibility of digital news reporting in our region. To achieve this, we kindly request for recognition, support, and collaboration in the following areas. Official recognition. We seek formal recognition of the Karbi Digital News Forum as the regulatory body for digital news reporting in Karbi and West Karbi. Assistance in registration process. Your support in establishing a robust registration process for new news channels, ensuring adherence to necessary criteria before obtaining LOC would be invaluable. Verifying reporters. Collaboration in verifying and authenticating reporters will contribute to maintaining professional standards. Standardized press identity cards. We appreciate your collaboration in introducing standardized press identity cards to prevent misuse of press text. Capacity building programs. Access to resources and expertise for training programs will empower digital news reporters. Grievance redressal mechanism. Assistance in creating a mechanism for handling complaints related to digital news reporting would be highly beneficial. We are confident that with your support, we can uphold the integrity of digital news reporting in Karbi and foster a culture of responsible and ethical journalism. We eagerly await your positive response and the opportunity for collaboration. Thank you for your consideration and request.
Bihu News Forum, আজি প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট ছেক্ৰেটাৰীৰ লগতে স্বত্বাধিকাৰীসকল অনাৰশ্বিপসকল আহিছিলে। আজি আমুক মেমৰেণ্ডাম দি গৈছে, তেওঁলোকৰ কিছুমান চৰ্ত আছে যাতে নিউজবিলাক ডিজিটেল বা পৰ্টেল নিউজসকলে তেওঁলোকৰ এটা ভাল ৰেগুলেশ্যনত নিউজবিলাক মানে চলে আৰু মিছ ইউজ নহয়, মিছ ইনফৰমেশ্যন নাযায় ৰাইজৰ মাজত। আৰু যিসকল নতুন ডিজিটেল বা পৰ্টেল নিউজৰ কাৰণে এপ্লিকেশ্যন তেওঁলোকৰ পৰ্টেল খুলিবলৈ আহিব বিচাৰিছে, তেওঁলোকে যেন আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং ডিজিটেল নিউজ ফৰামত তেওঁলোকে তাৰ পৰা বস্তুটো মানে স্বীকৃতি লৈ পেলাই আহে আৰু তেওঁলোকে তাত ৰেজিষ্টাৰ কৰি তেওঁলোকে আহি পেলাই আমাৰ ইয়াত মানে ILO বা যিকোনো NOC বাবে তেওঁলোকে এপ্লাই কৰিব পাৰিব। সেই ব্যৱস্থাটো আমি সিদ্ধান্ত লৈছোঁ যাতে আমি এইবাৰ পৰা আহিলে নতুনকৈ পৰ্টেল বা যিকোনো নিউজ চেনেলৰ পৰা আহিলে আমি সেইটো ডিজিটেল বিহু নিউজ ফৰামৰ পৰা আমি মানে সেইটো যোগাযোগ কৰিহে আমি এই পৰ্টেলসকলক নতুনকৈ তেওঁলোকক পাৰ্মিশ্যন দিম।